What's up, I'm ZJ Liquid, and today it's all about my top 10 90s dancehall rhythm. Stay tuned. It's all about my top 10 rhythm, 90s dancehall. Alright? And remember, you have to watch it from start to finish to get the 10 rhythms in. So, I'm going to kick it off. 10. Joyride Rhythm. Joyride Rhythm produced by Dave Kelly. Yo, that rhythm, like when we hear that rhythm in the 90s, when the rhythm they released that on the radio, it was like, what kind of vibes this? What kind of pattern this Dave Kelly find, you know? It was so dancehall, but yet, it was so fresh. As a selector or a DJ, you can't wait to play the rhythm, yeah. You know what I mean? At the type of rhythm we cause so much vibes in a dancehall and in a Jamaica where you have to wait weeks before you could get the rhythm in a the record store. When you go to the record store, it's either it sell off or you it on pre-release. It sell for excess amount of money or you know what I mean? Them not have the whole rhythm. But I tell you, Joyride Rhythm, everything pan it shot. Baby Sham, Frisco Kid, see? Beanie Man, Bojo. You understand? Wayne Wonder. You understand me? I did Mr.Easy, Tanya Stevens, Lady Sir. Yo, everybody on the rhythm they shot. And that makes it my number 10 rhythm right now. Joyride Rhythm. See it? Number 9. Number 9 90s dancehall rhythm is, for me, Playground. Yo, Playground was just a different sound, a different pattern in all of what did go on in our time in our dancehall, them time in the 90s. Because you don't know, you'd have Steely and Cleve, you have the thing locked. Main Street, I do them thing. Danny Brownie, I do them thing with a different sound. And plus, at that time, Steely and Cleve them and sly&robbie them were some of the top rhythm makers. So, most of the rhythms that did control the 90s too were made by some of the same people, some of the same musicians. But guess what now? New musician and new producer upon the scene. New style, new vibes upon the scene. And we are talking about Jeremy Hardin with a rhythm called the Playground. Yo, the Playground rhythm different. Be it song, be vibes. People bust off fight. Vegas bust off fight. You know what I mean? Sean Paul get a real hyper fight. Dan Youth was the Uptown Youth then time. They were control the rhythm. Yo, hear me now, man. You have a thing named Cabra. One of them, man, girl, hear me now, man. General B upon it, Lexus upon it. You understand? And then Beanie Man and Merciless forward upon the rhythm there after. Cause the rhythm they bust and around the whole place. Then Beanie Man forward upon it, Merciless as a hot DJ them time there in the 90s. Extra at Beanie Man forward that thing named Sim Sim, a bun off the place. You don't know them song, they are world song right now. People know Playground rhythm. You know what I mean? Merciless pan it. Me one of them girl, you know the thing, Merciless. Yeah. I'm mad thing, people. Number 9 rhythm that me a talk about Playground. You know the thing, go. Mr. Vegas bust off a Playground rhythm too. Want to see your one in the air. You see me? Yeah. Number 8 dancehall rhythm, because you don't know where I count down to number 1, is Filthy. And Filthy rhythm produced by Juvenile, Main Street. You know what I mean? The Brownies. Them time there, dancehall did up. I talk about the juggling did up. All the new artists did a bus. You understand me? I deal with Vegas. You know what I mean? I think named Buccaneer, them Chrissy D. You understand? Hawkeye, Goofy. The rhythm you know, when it come out, the Mr. G come out on the rhythm, they're one of the most controversial songs. See? The song there, somebody just pooped. The song that was just so controversial. Craziness. You know what I mean? People hear the song, the whole of Jamaica go crazy about the song, the people. But other than that, crazy that it's come off of the rhythm. The Spragga Benz, Girl Hype Up and You Not Ready Yet, Breeze Off, Lady G, you understand, Big Time, Chrissy D, and you know the super hit, Edzai, Mainstream Dancehall, hit that. You understand, Spragga Benz, Ready Yet, Take It Easy, Buccaneer. People, Filthy Rhythm, I'm a number 8 dancehall rhythm, what dominate the space for me in the 90s. You understand? So here I say big up Juvenile and Danny Brownie them for that rhythm. Mad. Number 7 rhythm will dominate the place in the 90s. We're going with bare things. Number 7 rhythm will deal with the 90s. You know what I mean? Dancehall rhythm for me. You have a thing named the Headache. And the rhythm that is produced by Flabber and Deli Ranks. See? The rhythm that deal with the place away in a dog. Them rhythm that come out in a 2 segment in a people. The first set bus, then the second set bus. Be at song, and the rhythm there when it come to dub plate, it was a dub plate rhythm too. That even make it more a hit dancehall rhythm. Cause the songs them hit, and then you know what I mean? Dub plate wise, enough dub plate song did cut pan the rhythm. You don't have to worry about that. Enough man have dubbing at them box pan the Headache rhythm. Non-stop. You talk about, you know what I mean? You like Christopher, did have a big song, you know, My Way, him sing over the Backstreet Boys and shot the whole place them time there. You understand me? I did Miss Alex Hot then time there, I did the place away. Me a penny, them a penny. You understand? Spragga Benz de pan it, Dirty Paul de pan it, I deal with it away people. You have a thing named Deli Ranks Elephant, the big hit song. But it's enough you kid to give them Headache. Yo, you me I say no, don't run for the thing. Them song that terrible. And then, you know, you have Beanie Man forwarded pan it with that thing name. And girl walking on my life. When I talk about dance a tear down, friends a tear down, gunshot a bus when it come to them. Yo, them song there. You hear me now, man? You hear me now, man? Then you have a second set forward out now with a youth what did I run in the streets. Because in the streets, this bus from, you know, a thing named Scalally. Pum pum cutting a toe. Half for me and half for you. If you get lagi to it, no wrinkle and screw. Yo, when I talk about that creep up and start run pan the rhythm in the dark. So it's for me Headache. My number 7 top dancehall rhythm of the 90s that. Right there so. You understand me I deal with? I love that rhythm the dog. Number 6. My number 6 top 90s dancehall rhythm, my pick, is a thing called Street Sweeper. Yo, everything pan it bad. yo, everything pan it bad. In a few time it come out a different type of rhythm. A be a faster rhythm around the place. You know, 98 BPM, 100 BPM. You know what I mean? Few little 80 them time there. But hear me I say, Street Sweeper come out with a thing name. Bourbantan, bus back from the 80s people. When I talk about bad song, you run the place, dub plate. You understand? You have a thing named Beanie Man, Battery Dolly. Then Zebra did at them time there. Zebra have a thing pan it name. The man fear, you know. Online, the eagle and the dragon and the... You know talk about dub plate or stage show when them touch that or when that does play. The Zebra song that did terrible, man. You understand me? I did then Caperton have the whole place abandoned. Caperton abandoned the place them time there. I'm on a mission and I said that is my purpose. To see the youths them live up. Well again. You know man, Battery Dolly. Big song right there so Caperton mission. They have a thing named Sean Paul and Vegas. Chila la 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 boom boom chile. Yo, big song people. Lexus did at them time there. You understand? Tell them so me now. Let's just deal with them wicked pan rhythm now. Whole heap of people the pan rhythm. They talk about Steel and Cleavy production. Whole heap of hit song. Bojo, you name it. The pan the Street Sweeper. We talk about Street Sweeper. It was a dub plate rhythm too. You understand? So that rhythm I give the props. Them rhythm I run the place dub plate style. Hit songs, numerous hit songs upon them. You understand? Have the place in a frenzy, Jamaica and overseas. You understand? Street Sweeper. You don't know number 6 rhythm that. Number 5. Broke out. People, when broke out rhythm, when me hear the rhythm there alone, that's the rhythm. Yo, I was amazed. Say, yo, Dave Kelly always come up with some different type of sound, different type of style. And people, them rhythm I talk about, them rhythm I making a MPC 2000 Akai. When I talk about now Pro Logic and you understand Reason and Ableton and them thing there. The rhythm now I talk about are vibes. You know what I mean? Phrase come play phrase on keyboard and them thing the real thing. You understand what I deal with? You don't know real pattern man. You know you want a man who want bad jump pattern and them time the producers to link up with one another. And that's what I deal with and make rhythm together. But anyway, number 5, broke out. When that drop, cheese and peas. Everything for the hit, Wayne Wonder, Mr.Easy, Cabra, Baby Sham, Punty Killer, TOK. Yo, hear me and say right now, people. The amount of people who hit off for the rhythm. Mr. G, Chico. You understand? Killer of the 2, bam them. Baby Sham have 2 bam. Yo, killer song, can't believe. And anytime you used to make the place mash up. Literally mash up. We are talking about stage show beat down, gunshot of fire, man a turntable niggle a broke 100 pull up. You understand? And then time the man never start about money pull up. A real vibes I sang. And he sang bad. Make it just and the place a mash up, make it get them forward there. You understand? When they talk about broke out rhythm, Mataran roll out him career with the rhythm there too. You understand what I deal with? Cause I know the thing go. You know with the Delano's revenge them time there. Me, DJ Wayne as Master Wayne and Lip Up. Big up to Delano. Yeah man, the whole time you know what I mean, them thing did that day. When you talk about broke out rhythm, you have to wait weeks for broke out rhythm to get it star. You see all the second set a trouble man. TOK them and anytime and Mr. G them nah stoop low and them thing there. People. Yo, you have to pay extra for them rhythm there when them rhythm the at man. And then rhythm there if you don't have them in your box sometime there. You're not good. You're not good. You half your bunks them rhythm there. So you have a thing them Dave Kelly broke out man. My number 5 dancehall rhythm for the 90's. Number 5 dancehall rhythm for the 90's. That broke out. Produced by Dave Kelly. Right this up. Number 4 dancehall rhythm for my countdown of top 10 dancehall rhythm for the 90's is the Bug. The Bug rhythm and a normal thing. Yo, Dave Kelly run up on the countdown again. Because Dave Kelly makes some of my baddest rhythm for the 90's. That was the real thing. The Bug rhythm was so different at the time. That I think with Dave Kelly rhythm them peeps. Him rhythm them always sound different, always come at you different. He sang them, I connect, I have sang for everybody, panic, girl, decent club, rare. You feel what I deal with? You have a thing named the Bug, brother. You see when the Bug drop, Wayne Wonder, Baby Sham, Spragga Benz, Punkty Killer, look into my eyes. Some boy can't get no girl. Yo, be a furious TV, Sham. Keep it coming. Yeah, ladies say ya shaggy panina. Remember, you know. As me say them rhythm there, you have to buy them pan double price. And then rhythm they run the place and you have to wait to get them time there as a selector. And then any man can play them like no, you just download it and have it. No sir. Them rhythm there play for you all 1 month, 2 months, 1 man, 2 rhythm man or so amongst them rhythm there. Bug rhythm, Colin Hines, big up yourself. Are you bust them rhythm there, brother? I road. Now telling like a year show me also listen them time now hear them rhythm there and the Dave Kelly thing them a boss. Bug rhythm. You see the second set now with Killer, Baby Sham. But the Killer giving you originality. Boss a shot if you. Yo, them time they are fully loaded on something, man. When Sham and Killer them link up, man, the whole place tear down, man. Not 3, no left on them thing there. And them thing there. The whole place mash up. You understand them, David? Yeah. The Bug rhythm be. Shaggy the pan it, ladies are, yo, bag of people the pan it. No joke. Beanie man, you know the thing go. Hit rhythm. I mean, I tell you, Bug, up in the runnings are the number 4 rhythm that Palm countdown of top 10 dancehall 90's rhythm. You see me? My number 3 dancehall rhythm on the countdown is Bam Bam. Bam Bam. Yo, from festival song to juggling in the 90's dancehall. Bam Bam. Yo, Bam Bam have whole heap of cut, brother. Bam Bam it all about. That's how I tell you when rhythm it. When you have numerous version, numerous producers put out Bam Bam and hit. Tiger, did it, different version that hit. Cutty Ranks, wait them on. Or who say me done? You have a thing named Roof version that hit. Son, you have a rhythm, you have a version named I Believe in Miracle. Love her again and she might take time. What the girl about it? Meek the man, Jack Craddock, sexy thing and that one version. The version that they hit too. And then Taxi come with for them version. As usual, the original Sly and Robbie version, everything named Murder She Wrote. Bam Bam, them a bleach out them skin. You hear me a son man? Bam Bam a worldwide hit rhythm. Worldwide. Anywhere you go in, you can play Murder She Wrote or Bam Bam and get a forward and people know say alright, oh that's dancehall. That's, you know what I mean? So big up to the thing called Sly and Robbie Taxi. Bam Bam and big up all the other producer them who put out the Bam Bam rhythm and hit. Number 3 dancehall rhythm that palm countdown, you understand? 90's style. Brrr. Number 2 dancehall rhythm on the countdown is Showtime Rhythm by Dave Kelly again. Yo, Showtime Rhythm people. Like for real. Yo, you know Dave Kelly family already in the rhythm thing. Showtime Rhythm, everything it. The second set it. A pandemonium when it play. All of the song them. I get terrible forward. I bust down the place up till now, 2001. The Killer them, the Beanie Man them, the Sham same way. You understand what I deal with? We know and everybody pan the rhythm be Frisco Kid, Cabra, Shaggy and Raven having a bashment party. And you know the Professor Nuts. Mama ban the yo, you know man, me I talk about the Showtime rhythm, you talk about dub plate. When I talk about dub plate with Showtime Rhythm now, almost every sound have a song pan Showtime Rhythm. In them dub box around the world. Showtime Rhythm, Dave Kelly. Number 2 on the countdown, top 10 90s dancehall rhythm. Number 1 dancehall rhythm for the 90s. Number 1 dancehall rhythm for the 90s to me. Punani rhythm. Steely and Clevie, and you don't know Jammies, Shocking Vibes. You name it, the amount of version of the Punani rhythm. And every time Punani rhythm produce and forward, it always it's Shabba them dep on it from Shabba days come up to now. Every son. When I talk about biggest dub plate dancehall rhythm, Punani rhythm that be. You understand what I deal with? Yo, listen to me. I know that from you know I think from down in the 80s come into the 90s, Punani rhythm still rule. If you go up on one karaoke, one stage show, people are say, yo, play a rhythm for me there. Most likely a man would want to play the Punani rhythm. Most likely on a stage show, if any dancehall rhythm a man know and want to play is always the Punani. So there you have it. My top 10 dancehall rhythm from the 90s. Remember my pick, you know. If you feel like you have someone you want to talk about, put them in the comments. Put your top 10 dancehall rhythm in the comments and make me see them. And remember people, like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification for more videos like this from ZJ Liquid. Talking about dancehall 80s, 90s, 2000, the whole thing. Lock in and tune in. Follow me on my social, ZJ Liquid. Subscribe. Bless up.